take it vertical.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
How high are we going up?
75 feet.
75 feet.
75 feet.
That's pretty high.
He's terrified of heights.
Are you? Don't feel bad. I'm pretty scared of heights myself.
Oh my goodness.
Here, hold on to the edge. There's a couple of jerks when I go to stop. So.
What kind of jerks?
Not like that. Okay, we're all the way up. No. I lied.
What's this called?
What's that?
Ladder truck?
Yeah, we call it our tower. Tower truck.
This was only 75 feet?
Yep.
I think you're a liar.
We're still going up. It feels a lot higher, doesn't it?
Yeah, I feel like we're in the flying fire truck airplane.
When we fire up these cannons on the side here, the whole bucket moves like
scarier.
Between 5 and 10 feet. It pushes it back. It's kind of creepy.
Have you had to use those?
I've trained with them. I've never actually used them on a fire, though. I've only been here 6 months paid. Been here almost 3 years as a firefighter, though.
What's your name?
Mike.
Okay, a little bump here. Okay, everybody hold it to the side. There's a little bit of a jerk when we start to lower. You ready? Watch your face on the edge. There we go. That's the worst of it. That make your stomach jump a little.
What do you think? Are you up in the sky? Perfect time to get a phone call.
Hola, ¿cómo está? We're in a fire truck. Huh? Hold on.
Almost down. A little bump here at the bottom. And we're down.